Testimonial for Online Business App. My testimonial for online business app. I am Carl from Alabama. About 27 years ago, I was successful with a multi-level marketing company that paid monthly commissions for your first 2 levels. They had a good product that people needed and wanted and was at a good price. Within 6 months, I recruited over 1,000 people and had over 8,000 in my organization. The recruiting was all done through personal contacts. The parent company folded and it all ended. Since then I have struggled with online marketing. But now I am seeing success again, thanks to Online Business App and the leadership and education provided. They also allowed us to recruit from their 19K private Facebook group and gave us exact details about how to do this. They provided lead capture pages and sales pages as well as lead magnets to help us successfully recruit on social media. We have weekly masterminds and webinars that have been very valuable in helping us build our business. For the weekly Saturday webinar, they even give you $10 every Saturday that you stay for at least 1 hour. They have weekly raffles giving away $2,023 in the raffle. I am using this money to purchase tools that will be helpful in my business. The all-in-one business has several options that allow people to begin completely free with their own marketplace. Or purchase at least one NFT that allows you to access the company's social site and the weekly mastermind. We get 25% commissions for the life of our customers and recruited affiliates. This makes this a very lucrative business. By joining this affiliate program, I am a self-employed individual. They provide us with training to help save money on our taxes each year. We get a tax write-off by wearing clothing with the company logo, making us a walking billboard advertising products in our marketplace. Things were slow for the first several weeks. Now I'm getting a new lead to sign up in my organization almost every day. This has taken a lot of time, but I am so thankful that I got involved with Online Business App because the end results will be worth it.